watching. I'm going to show you guys how to make a box that's going to scare the crap out of your friends or other people. We're actually in a convenience store right now, and I just got done building this. I paid $2 for this wooden box from Michael's Craft. That was very cheap. This is not going to cost you guys a lot of money. I went on eBay and I purchased a car horn that I'm going to show you guys inside, and I do have a wire running to this to the electrical outlet, which is odd. The one thing I didn't understand is when I purchased this car horn, I actually had to use a computer cord that has 18.5 volts plugged in, so I can show you guys what's going on inside. I have a bungee cord right here. What I did is stuck the bungee cord through the hole, and you can't see it because it's right there, but you see the knot I tied there and a knot I tied there. So there was no hardware needed there. Real simple concept where it always springs back shut to where it needs to be. And I measured the pressure so it wasn't too tight, because if it was too tight, people would go to lift it and the whole thing would just lift up and not open, but now it just opens. Okay, this is called a reverse switch. You can get these on eBay. This one was taken out of a car. I think it's 99 cents for 10. Yeah, right there. Look, 99 cents from China. This is eBay. 10 pieces micro roller lever arm. Another name for it is limit switch. These are very tiny. If you need them to be really small, these are probably like maybe an inch big. There's a different one right here where they got 3 prongs, and you're only going to use 2 of them, that where when it's shut, it's actually off, and when it opens, it actually alarms off. The reason I'm explaining this for people who are going to want to build one of these, and it's not hard at all. So when this is this roller switch right here, when this is closed, it actually is off. In here you see a car horn. I think I paid $2. Let's go over this here. Is the one I purchased right here. It says electric horn, 12 DC car horn. You see it's $5.37, but I ordered 3 of them, so they're very cheap. These were also came from China. You can buy them from the United States and whatnot, but you'll probably pay about $6 a piece. These, I ordered 3 of them and they did not work for me, so stay away from that one, please. Even though they're supposed to work on a 12-volt plug, I really don't understand it. I think it has to do with DC and AC. What that stands for is direct current and alternating current. But I just kept trying different transformers. As you see, the computer cord that I have here, this went to like a laptop. And over here where it reads, you're going to want to find where it says output. Maybe this is too small. Oh, you guys could see it. 18.5 volts output. That allowed the horn to work. When I tried 12 volts, it did not work. You could hear it trying to work. It would be like, ah, but it would jam up. And which was weird, when I hooked it up directly to a car's battery, it also didn't work. But when I got 18 volts to it, it did work. I don't understand why. All I know, I'm showing you guys how to build this sucker. So I glued this on the wall. When this is closed, it's off. When they go to open it, you can hear it clicking when it's going to work and not work. And what real simple concept. I printed out these signs. I grabbed them off Google and I printed them out. This is all. I just stole some pictures here and there and was able to put danger, do not enter. I decided to use baby alligators because people will be curious and go to open them, but also be scared to open it at the same time. Let's see what happens when somebody opens this that's unexpected. See, I've hid the wire where nobody can see it under a pack of rolling papers, and we'll wait for somebody to come in here and check it out. They can't get you.